Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit your PDF in Microsoft Word. So let's begin our video. So here you can see this is my PDF file. If I just open it, and right now I'm just trying to edit, but there have no option for edit this. So what I need to do, I just need to let's back and open my Microsoft Word. So here you can see it's just opening. You just need to wait. So after open it, drag and drop your PDF file to your Microsoft Word, select OK, and then make it bigger size. Right now you can see you can easily edit everything. Here you can see you can delete something from here. You also can add some word on here. In this way you can edit your PDF by using Microsoft Word. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.